If you're experiencing billing issues on Robinhood, it's important to address them promptly to ensure your account remains in good standing. Follow these steps to resolve any billing problems effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Verify that the payment method linked to your Robinhood account is valid and has sufficient funds. This includes checking expiration dates, card numbers, and any potential holds on your account. Step 2. Review transaction history. Look through your transaction history in the app to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges. This will help you pinpoint the specific issue that needs to be addressed. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find an issue that you cannot resolve on your own, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with detailed information about your billing problem. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After submitting your inquiry, keep track of your request. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once the issue has been resolved, continue to monitor your account for any further discrepancies. Make sure to regularly check your payment methods and transaction history to avoid future problems. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing issues on Robinhood and maintain a smooth trading experience.